Hi children,
Hi children,
good morning. This is Karthik, skating master, Sun Academy Group of School.
myself Magesh, skating master, Sun Academy Group of Schools. Today we'll show you where you have to buy the beginner skates for beginners and which type of skate you have to buy. We'll explain now. Okay. The beginner skate, that means the adjustable skates, you have to buy in sports shop only. You should not buy it in Decathlon or Jayachandran, because those skates are not comfortable for beginners. Okay, so this is the basic adjustable skating brand, JJ Jonex. It will available in all sports shops. You can go for any sports shop, you can get it. Okay, depends upon foot size, you have to buy it. Okay, for below the one size, you should buy a small size beginner skate.
Like
Okay,
this,
after the one size, you should go for a large skate. Okay.
and this is a safety guard. This is a brand name is Yonker. This is the best brand for the beginners level. Hi parent, now I show you how to take the beginners level. Just watch. This is a key, and inside the key you put lock open and take the skates. Then only you learn the balance. Opposite to opposite to take the skates. Then only easy to learn the balance.
Front side one wheel and back side one wheel, you have to tie the skate. If the student is more weight, you can tie three wheels also, no problem, because if the wheel is tight, they can easily
walk
and
jog.
they will start the beginner level.
Now I show you how to start the skate.
For skating, you have to choose any smooth surface area like this. Okay, in a school skating area like that. Okay. Before any sports, we have to start with warm-ups. So we'll show you what and all warm-up you have to do. First, you should do jogging. The Karthik master and one more person will demonstrate you how to jog and what and all warm-ups you have to do. Okay.
Hi children, now I teach you how to warm up. Let's see. After finish your jogging, next first warm up, open close. Ten count. After finish your open close, next hand rotation. Slowly do the hand rotation. And straight. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Next, open your leg, bend your body, cross touch your toe. Each warm up 10 count. Now slowly jumping. Maximum. Please children, after finishing the warm up, I will show you how to wear the skates. Let's see.
Now I will show you how to put the guards and skates. Okay. In safety guards, you can get a helmet, wrist guard like this. This one is wrist guard and elbow guard, okay, and knee guard. Okay. First, I will show you how to put the helmet. Okay. This one is helmet. Okay. You can lock like this. It's easy only. Then you can get wrist guard. First, you have to put wrist guard. Okay. This one is very important in basic skating. Okay. The plastic part should go down. Should go down under your arm. Okay. Like this. It it should not come top of your hand because it's very danger. The plastic part should go down.
Down.
Okay. The small holes you have to insert your thumb finger, and then it should go down. Then you will stick. You can stick this Velcro like this. Okay.
In small one, this is elbow pad. Now I'll show you how to grab. Now elbow is there here.
The elbow guard and knee guards looks similarly same. So you can select small one for elbow and large one for knees. You have to correctly place it in the knee area.
Now I show you how to wear the skating kit. Skates.
You have to adjust the skating by
Bottom side.
bottom area. You can adjust the size also by using the skating keys. You can adjust it. If you want a large size, you can expand the skates. If you want small size, you can short the size. You have to wear school shoe compulsory to put your basic skate. You can't wear with empty leg. Okay. Put the lace and belt very tightly, then only it will not remove. You can get the help from your parents also, no problem, because you can't put by yourself.
Okay, parents.
That's it.
Okay, students. Now start with walk. Initially, you have to put the skate. Initially, in beginners, first class, you start in walking and straight and
Stage is walking only.
knee rise. Slowly walk like this. Initially, you have to walk, balance like this. Slowly walk with the skate. And shake and knee rise and walk like this. Okay, children, take care. Hi, children.
Hi, children.
Happy day. This is Karthik, skating master, Sanakan Group of School.
Myself Magesh, skating master, San Academy Group of Schools.
Now, last class you learn walking. Now, this class you will learn how to without hands down and walk and jog. Let's see.
We'll show you now. This class, you can drop your hands and little walk. Okay.
Next
Next
step,
one, you have to bend your body
Body.
little bit. Okay. Then hands back. Then start again walking.
slowly walk like this.
This one is third stage. Okay.
Like this. You have to slowly walk with the skate.
Each step you have to practice at least 5 days or 6 days. Okay. Then after completing this stage, okay, you have to do little bit bend and start jogging.
Yeah, slowly jog, come on. Slowly jog. With the skate, bend your body and jog. Bending is very important, then only you learn the balance.
And we'll tell you now what is the basic position, so you can know how to bend the body. Okay, stand basic position. You have to keep your hands in your chin. Your elbow should touch your knees. Okay, this is basic position. This is basic position. Okay, this is basic position. This much you have to bend your body. Okay, this is actual skating position. Your body should be flat on the top. Okay, your knees should be bent and elbow should like this. Okay,
Very important. Toe, knee and shoulder. This type.
straight line.
Thank you,
Thank
children.
you, children. We'll see you in next class.
Thanks.